Hey, check this out. Solid-state battery could be the next big thing for EV this year. Now you may ask yourself, why? Why not focus on lithium-ion battery since most EV already have them on it? Well, you're right, but let me ask you this. How many times you have range anxiety? And how many times you have to go to charge your vehicle at the public charging station? You have to spend hours there. These are the things solid-state battery could potentially fix. So, without further ado, let's get to the details. Now, I could tell you a solid-state battery is a battery that uses a solid electrolyte to conduct ions between its electrode. Can store a higher energy density, longer lifespan, faster charging, greater durability, and non-flammable. Now, another way to looking at this is solid-state cell promise faster recharging, better safety, and higher energy density. Companies like Honda, Toyota, and others hope to use solid-state cell in vehicles to go on sale before 2030. Now, here are some key comparisons between the lithium-ion battery and solid-state battery. Let's take a look together. Now, according to Honda, they have a 300,000 square foot demonstration line for these batteries. The goal is, later this year, to figure out a full-scale manufacturing. However, Hyundai even went further, saying later this year they should have prototypes EVs for real-world testing. Now, we haven't even talked about Toyota, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes that's been working on this for decades. What would they bring this year? Now, this is what I'm saying, guys. Solid-state battery could be the next big thing this year. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think. Now, company like Mercedes-Benz has been one of the first to explore the potential of solid-state battery technology. And their goal is to be fully electric by 2030. And solid-state battery technology will play a large role in achieving just that. Volkswagen is another automaker leading the way in solid-state battery technology. They recently entered a partnership with QuantumScape, a solid-state battery technology company. QuantumScape is estimating that solid-state batteries will have an energy density of 50% more than their lithium-ion counterparts, with recharge time of 15 minutes. You may ask yourself, if solid-state batteries are so great, why don't we have them on the road already? Well, that's another great question. But let me explain to you why solid-state battery is not on the road yet. High production costs. The materials used in solid-state batteries, particularly the solid electrolyte, are currently more expensive than those in lithium-ion batteries. The manufacturing process itself is more complex and requires specialized equipment. Existing battery manufacturing equipment is designed for liquid electrolyte batteries and is not suitable for solid-state production. New specialized equipment needs to be developed and produced at scale, which requires significant investment. This is it, guys. I truly believe solid-state battery could be the next big thing for EV this year. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like this video. I'll see you next time.